What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about how I went viral on TikTok using the Michael Bernstein method. Pretty much trying to do organic drop shipping. I'm going to tell you guys exactly how I followed his video step by step, getting this TikTok to over 35 million views, in hopes to hopefully help you guys along your journey. Every little bit of info helps when you're trying to do something like this. I hope you guys enjoy. If I stutter, my bad, man. It's like the first time I'm recording. Bear with me, brother. Bear with me. All right, anyways, guys. So number one, product research. When you're a beginner, you want to find easy products that you can go ahead, just pick up and record. And by that meaning, I'll give you guys an example right here. As you guys can see from that TikTok, is something you could just pick up and easily record. You don't have to do nothing crazy with the product. You don't have to go above and beyond like going to a specific location or using specific stuff around the product so you guys can help that product become viral. And for a beginner, it would be easy just to pick up a product, show it, and just because of showing it already goes viral. So that's exactly what I did and what I was looking for. Number two, how I did the product research was using the burner method. Go ahead and make a new account on TikTok, interact with nothing but dropshipping pages, exit the app, come back. You're gonna see that your For You page is filled with dropshipping products, scrolling for about a couple hours. So I found this bloody mat. I know this is a little late, guys, but it's a good example. And like I said, hopefully this helps you guys find your first winning product. This was a couple months back. I ended up seeing this competitor going viral with this bloody mat, and it was just a couple of days ago. I went ahead, went to Amazon, ordered it, and started shooting it the next day. I posted 3 videos a day, and by the 3rd day, I think it was actually like the 6th video, maybe like the 2nd day, ended up going viral to like 1 million views in like a day or so. The reason why I chose this product, like I said, is something you could just go ahead and record and automatically has a wow factor, so I didn't have to do too much work. Number 3, the strategy that I used to go viral. In one of his videos, he talks about pretty much the copycat method, where you go ahead, you go to your competitor's page that's going viral at the time, and you copy his videos frame by frame. Very important that you do this, because this is exactly what I did, and that's the video that went viral. One thing that I'm gonna say, I did try to make this video better than the competitors, and by that I mean better lighting, better background, just better aesthetics overall. I ended up kind of nailing that because I did get more views than the competitor, but his account was still doing fire. Here comes the kicker, guys. That video is sitting over 35 million views and only has 1 purchase. I ended up taking down the store around 15 million views, and in the video that I follow Michael's strategy, he talks about that sometimes in some occasions could go viral in the wrong country, which ended up happening to me. I ended up going viral in Mexico, just nothing but traffic to my store, but no conversions, only 1, which is still cool at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying? It's just, but the product wasn't the best because it was just too easy to enter. Everybody at the time was starting to record it. Like I said, it was just unlucky. Ended up going viral in Mexico, where I guess a lot of people didn't want to pretty much buy this map, or just didn't want to spend the money on this map. So that's what ended up happening and how I went viral. Let me show you guys the TikTok account right now. So this video right here, the one that ended up going viral, I ended up just moving on to the next product, and I'm gonna show you guys in the next video on how I'm currently going viral on Instagram with his same strategy, which is freaking crazy. I'm gonna join his course soon because this is the 2nd time that I got viral and I see no freaking conversions. I don't know exactly what happened or what's going on, but hey, I'm up for it. You guys can find your first winning product maybe by watching this, taking some examples. Hope you guys can take some nuggets from here. Make sure to comment down below, make sure to subscribe. All right, that's enough yapping. Go ahead and take action out there, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace.